Hi everyone, welcome back to KKboosters Channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today's topic is something close to nature lovers' hearts. We're talking about the beautiful Barn Hill Trig Point. Let's dive in. Barn Hill Trig Point is nestled in Fryent Country Park, a stunning natural haven located in the north of the London Borough of Brent. Combined with Barn Hill open space, this park covers an impressive 103 hectares, or 254 acres of rolling fields and charming woodlands. It's not just a park, it's a slice of countryside within bustling London. Barn Hill itself is a wooded hill rising to 86 meters, or 282 feet. At the top, you'll find this lovely pond, perfect for a moment of reflection. And if you're up for exploring, there are several other ponds scattered across the park. The woodland here is home to English oak, hornbeam, elm, ash, and even some fruit trees. You'll also find hedges with blackthorn and the rare narrow-leaved bitter-cress. This park is considered one of the best examples of surviving Middlesex countryside in the Brent Basin. Here's a fun fact for history buffs. Barn Hill was once called Barn Hill back in 1547. It was landscaped in 1792 by Humphrey Repton, a famous designer of English country parks. The meadows here are remnants of land, originally owned by King Edward the Confessor. How cool is that? Getting to the pond is super easy. You can start from Barn Hill Road and follow the grassy paths. There's also another pond near the car park. Keep in mind, the paths aren't paved, but that just adds to the charm of walking through nature. For those travelling here, the park is bisected by Fryent Way, which links Kingsbury to Wembley. The closest stations are Kingsbury on the Jubilee Line, or Wembley Park and Preston Road. Plus, the Capital Ring footpath crosses through here. For drivers, there's a convenient car park halfway down Fryent Way. This park is great for so many activities: picnics, dog walking, or just soaking in nature. It's always open, no gates to worry about. And while the pond has a no fishing policy, don't be surprised to see dogs splashing around and having a great time. One of my favorite things about Barn Hill is the community of dog lovers. It's so uplifting to meet fellow dog owners and see our furry friends having the time of their lives. So, whether you're looking for a peaceful escape, a fun day out with your dog, or just a scenic walk, Barn Hill Trig Point and Fryent Country Park have something for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KK Boosters. I'll see you next time for more exciting adventures. Until then, take care and stay awesome.